Are you also tired of those annoying watermarks on your videos? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to remove watermarks from your videos, quickly and effectively. You might have seen many tutorials on YouTube, but trust me, this method is one of the simplest and most effective ones out there. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because I bring you amazing and helpful content just like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now you need to visit this website. I've added the link in the description below so you can open the site from there. Once you're on the site, click on Open File and select your video. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Now simply select the watermark area on your video and click on the Apply button. As you can see, the watermark has now been removed. To download the video, click the Save button, then hit Export. And finally click Save again. Your video will start downloading. Now you can play the video and check it out. Are you also tired of those annoying watermarks on your videos? Well, so friends, this is how easily you can remove the watermark from any video in just a few clicks. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. And if you also want to create AI talking avatar videos like I do, make sure to check out this video right here. Thanks for watching.